Welcome, Torpreneurs. Buckle up as we delve into the unveiling of the first physical manifestation of artificial intelligence brought to you by OpenAI. We're on the precipice of a breakthrough as we bring you the very first glimpse of a new era, the dawn of the robotic revolution. The harbinger of this new age is a company supported by OpenAI called wIth Robotics, who is set to introduce the world to their groundbreaking creation, Robot wIth, also known as Neo. Neo, the paradigm shifter, is said to be safe, smart, and perfectly balanced. As your Android assistant, it's supposed to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with AI. But before we dive into the juicy details, let's first understand the backing behind this innovation. OpenAI, one of the key players in artificial intelligence, invested in wIth Technologies, a Norway-based engineering and robotics firm, back in March 2020. Their financial backing helped secure a whopping $23.5 million in a Series A2 funding round. Their primary aim? To establish a production line in Dallas, Texas for commercial use and upscale manufacturing of their robots. The flagship product set to debut later this summer is the aforementioned humanoid robot, Neo. wIth is boldly attempting to pioneer an integration of robotics and artificial intelligence in a manner hitherto unseen. As we examine Neo's array of features, we realize the term groundbreaking might just be an understatement. Safety, as per wIth, is paramount. It appears they have designed Neo with the intention to interact safely within human spaces. We infer this from the statement about its soft, organically inspired mechanics and stringent real-world scenario testing to avoid accidental injuries. But what about movement? wIth declares that Neo can mimic human movements with high precision and gentle strength. It's engineered to navigate the world in a manner that mirrors our own, walking through doors, climbing stairs, and interacting naturally. This takes us one step closer to a future where robots blend seamlessly into our daily lives. Moreover, wIth has incorporated a smart behavior system, implying Neo will have an advanced AI mind. This means you can communicate with it naturally and expect it to understand and follow your instructions. It's fascinating to think that it might be powered by a refined version of GPT-4, the best large language model available. Could it be a standalone, custom-built, or even an offline version of the language model that will allow for real-time human-like responses? Only time will tell. In the promotional images, we see Neo engaged in household chores, suggesting its efficiency in performing such tasks. It's not an alien concept for wIth. Their earlier model, Eve, was seen performing tasks like baking cookies. How much Neo has improved from its predecessor is yet another exciting aspect to look forward to. Control is a key element when it comes to robotics. Here, wIth brings us an innovative control system for Neo VR Teleop Sync Mode. This VR Teleop Sync Mode allows you to remotely control Neo, performing tasks as if you were physically present at the location. Imagine being away from home but needing to do something. With the VR Teleop Sync Mode, you can control Neo from wherever you are. wIth also states that Neo can learn from tasks completed in this mode. This indicates the autonomous behavior of Neo, which suggests the presence of a robust AI system capable of decision-making and adaptability. If it works as expected, we can hope for a continuous learning and improvement cycle, making Neo smarter over time. wIth also revealed some of Neo's specifications. The robot will have a runtime of 4 hours, weigh approximately 66 pounds, and move at a speed of 2.5 miles per hour while walking and 7.5 miles per hour while running. Its carrying capacity is expected to be around 44 pounds. So, what's the final verdict on Neo? As an innovative bipedal humanoid, Neo can perform tasks in industrial sectors like security, logistics, manufacturing, and complex task handling. In the future, it could potentially be a valuable home assistant, performing chores, aiding individuals with mobility issues, and helping in fields like psychology and artificial intelligence. This only scratches the surface of Neo's potential. Through continuous evolution, learning, and AI fusion, the possibilities for assistance, productivity, and learning are truly limitless. All in all, the advent of Neo represents a huge leap forward in the field of AI and robotics. It brings us one step closer to a future where artificial intelligence isn't just in our phones and computers, but is a tangible, physical presence in our everyday lives. Please keep following Torpreneur for more fascinating updates about groundbreaking innovations in the world of technology. And as always, keep innovating, Torpreneurs.